Welcome to the Chief Justice William Richardson Archival Finding Aid. We thank the Hawaii Council for the Humanities for funding support. This archive could not have been completed without the assistance of the University of Hawaii School of Law Library Public Services staff. This collection contains information on Chief Justice Richardson's family history, education, military service, government service, and the judiciary. This collection also contains his research and advocacy on Native Hawaiian rights and Hawaii, such as water resources, cultural heritage places, and institutions such as the Kamehameha School's Bishop Estate and the William S. Richardson School of Law. There are photos, memorabilia, literature, and audio-visual media of his family, education, courts, government, constituencies, among many more topics. To search across this public finding aid, go to the search bar at the top right. Click on the ellipses and check only the exhibit and exhibit page. Enter your search term in the bar. Click on the magnifying glass. You will receive results that come from all finding aids that have your term. When you click on a page on the results list, use the Ctrl F keystroke to find the specific location of your desired information. To request a full item, note down the title, identifier, and collection information. Email ellenray@hawaii.edu, who can send it to you digitally via email. If you want more focused research of items within a collection, fill out the researcher account form to set up a personal username and password. You can search within specific collections, private and public, including digitized files. If you need assistance with researching in this archive or setting up an account, please contact the Archives Manager at ellenray@hawaii.edu or call 956-2867. Mahalo.